Hi guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to unhide a partition which is not visible on your computer page. For example, this is a partition on my SSD and this was not visible to me. I just make it unhide, and for that I installed this Genius and I opened this Genius. This is a third-party software, and you see I have two different storage devices. One is SSD, and I have partitioned it into three partitions. These two partitions are not available. These are not visible. These are the partition used by operating system. And partition 3 is also a reserved partition, which is of 546 megabyte. And partition C is the partition in which the operating system is installed, Windows is installed. And this partition was not visible to me. And you see on SSD the file system is GPT, and if I come here, the file system, and this is MBR. So this partition, which is now labeled as I, wasn't visible on the Windows page at this position. What I did, I just want to let you know how it became visible. I right click on this partition and I select format current partition. When I select it, this window opens up, and here you can give a name, which I have selected as JKL. These are the different names, and automatically it was given as I. And then when I selected the name, and then I just click on format. When I format the disk and I went back to my computer, it was available. So you can unhide a partition if it is not visible to you on the PC page, and it was just so simple that I did it. Thanks for watching.